Hi! In this video, we'll figure out how to add menus and other blocks to all the pages of your website at once. We'll do that by creating the website's header and footer, parts of the website that are added to all published pages automatically. The header is displayed at the top of the page and the footer is at the bottom. The header usually contains a block from the menu category as well as a shopping cart if your online store has several pages that include a shopping cart. You can add any other block to the header, it's totally up to you. The footer typically includes blocks from the footer category with useful but not crucial information. You can add the following to the footer: the copyright, the name of the studio or a designer that created the website, contact information, and links to your privacy policy and public proposal. The footer also sometimes contains a copy of menu items. Let's start with creating a header for the website. Note that there are two pages in this project, home page and the about page, and now I will create a shared header and footer for these pages. First, add a new page, select blank page, and add the block or blocks we need. Click More Blocks to open the block library, go to the menu category, and add block ME301 to the page. You can pick any block you like from all the categories. I will also add a scroll progress bar to the website's header. To do this, click More Blocks, go to the Other category, select T333 block, Page Reading Progress Bar, and add it to the page. This block displays a scroll indicator that shows to the user how much they've scrolled down the page. Next, we go to the page settings and type header in the page title field. This is useful as it will help me quickly find the header page among other pages on Tilda. You don't need to change the page address. Let's click Save Changes. Then we go to the site settings, find the header and footer tab, select the page I just created, header, then set it as a header and save the changes. Let's do the same with the footer. That is, I create a separate page for the footer and set this page as the footer in the site settings. After I've set the website's header and footer, I click Save Changes again and see them in the list of pages under a separate section called Header and Footer. Once you've checked that everything is okay and the pages are in the header and footer section, publish all the website's pages by clicking on Publish All Pages. Note that there is no need to publish the header and footer separately. If you make any changes in the header or footer, just publish all the pages of your website again. Now, if you edit any of the website's pages, you'll find the header and footer bars on it. You can edit these bars by clicking on them. For example, click the footer bar and you'll get to the page where the website's footer is located. And now let's go to the published website and look at the header and footer. Here they are. On top, that's the header, the menu we've created, and at the bottom, the footer. We can find those bars on our second page, About Us, as well. Here they are. Let's go back to the homepage editing now. Sometimes you need a unique header or footer for a specific page of the website. In that case, you can disable the shared header or footer or both for that particular page. To do that, go to the additional section in page settings for that page and check the Don't use header for this page or Don't use footer for this page boxes. Let's choose not to use the header and save the changes. Note that now there is no header bar on this page, and if we go to the About page, the header bar is there. To apply changes on the home page, you should publish it. Click Publish and open the page. You can see that the published version of this specific page doesn't display the header. If you scroll down, you'll see that the footer is displayed. That's because we've checked only the Don't use header for this page box. In the video description, you'll find the links to the detailed guide on how to create the header and footer and the video on how to make a multi-page website. Good luck!